We are pleased to show you the 2015 Yaris. Whether you're interested in the 5-door or 3-door model, the Yaris offers a sleek design, plenty of interior space, and standard side and side curtain airbags, as well as vehicle stability control. Named 2010 Best Overall Value of the Year by IntelliChoice.com, you simply can't go wrong with a Yaris, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.